Now, let me carefully explain how to perform color correction in CapCut on your mobile phone, step by step. First, let's open CapCut and carefully add your photos or videos to start creating your amazing project, as you can see here. Next, we carefully look for filters in this section. After that, let's click here and choose the first option to enhance your project. Here, we carefully adjust the setting to a little less than 32, and then we click here to proceed. Here, we carefully set the value to around plus or minus 20, and then we choose this option to enhance the overall look. Well, I'm not entirely sure, but let's set it to around plus or minus 25, and this will give us a great overall result. The real color correction looks amazing, as you can see here. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Wishing everyone good luck and saying goodbye for now. Take care until next time.